Health Tips by Shah Ji present a new video. Thanks for watching.
High fiber, high protein foods. Welcome to our video on high fiber, high protein foods. These meals are quick, nutritious, and delicious. Each recipe boasts at least 6 grams of fiber and 15 grams of protein, perfect for supporting your digestion and muscle health. First up is the black bean quinoa bowl. It's like a taco salad minus the fried bowl, packed with pico de gallo, cilantro, and avocado, topped with a hummus dressing. Then try the chopped salad with sriracha tofu and peanut dressing. This vegan delight is easy to prep and stays fresh for up to 24 hours, perfect for meal prepping. Chickpea and red pepper lettuce wraps with tahini dressing are a no-cook option that's quick to assemble. Enjoy with warm pita for a complete meal. For something different, chicken and apple kale wraps use kale leaves instead of bread, making them low-calorie and lower in carbs. How about a quinoa deli salad? This healthy version combines quinoa and chickpeas with mutton and mozzarella, great for dinner or lunch. Buffalo Chicken Grain Bowl offers the spicy flavors of buffalo wings in a healthy couscous bowl loaded with protein and veggies. Lastly, don't miss the avocado toast with burrata. This creamy, cheesy avocado toast is perfect for a quick and satisfying lunch or breakfast. Enjoy these recipes and feel your best every day.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.